我想講嘅題目咧就係文字題啦。咁通常佢就會俾一大段文字你啦，跟住有好多好多個唔同嘅 probability 啦，又 given that 又點樣，又跟住就要你揾唔同嘅 probability 啦。咁其實面對住呢啲嘅題目，首先你千祈唔好俾佢咁多嘅英文字鏡。我哋都係還原翻基本步，都係分翻唔同嘅顏色啦，再畫 tree diagram。首先咧，我哋望下呢一題，佢就話個 driver 可以一係揀 X 或者 Y 嘅隧道啦。咁我哋咪分開兩個咯，一個 X 一個 Y。咁如果我哋畫 tree diagram 嚟講，佢可以一係行 X 啦，一係行 Y。咁佢就再話啦。咁如果你行出嘅話，個 driver 啦可以 either choose 用現金俾啦，或者用電子支付。咁嘅話，即係你無論行 X 啦，定係行 Y 啦，你都可以一係 cash 啦，一係 electronic 嚟講。咁我就用兩個嘅 initials 簡單啲啦，咁我就唔寫全寫 cash 同埋即係 electronic means 啦。咁佢就話個 driver 揀 tunnel X 嘅機率係9/20啊嘛。咁我哋就有上面呢個係9/20啦。既然佢得兩條隧道啫嘛，咁你下面嘅 Y 就一定係1減9/20，所以呢個我哋就可以填到係11/20啦。跟住我哋再睇，咁我哋題目去到依家，我哋睇下佢想揾咩？佢就係希望要我哋揾個 driver 揀咗 tunnel X 啦 and pay by electronic means。咁即係咩意思咧？即係佢行咗藍色呢條路啦，再揀咗下面，即係你要符合晒兩個嘅 requirement 啦。咁我哋再睇埋佢下面有俾嘅資訊，當佢啦揀咗 X 嘅 tunnel 嘅時候啦，佢 pays by cash 嘅 probability 係4/7。咁喺 tree diagram 其實喺邊個位啊？見到啦，藍色呢條路行咗 X 之後啦，佢 pays by cash 就係4/7啦。咁如果佢行咗 X 唔 pays by cash，即係佢只可以揀 electronic means 啦。咁其實呢個就係一減嘅 concept 啦，一減4/7，所以就係3/7啦。咁其實去到呢步啦，我哋已經做到我哋嘅 A part 噶啦，因為佢就係要我哋揾藍色嗰條路嘅 probability 啦。記住咧 ，required probability 一定唔可以漏啦。咁就係等於我哋嘅9/20啦，乘3/7，就係27/140啦。Part B 啦，佢就問啦，如果 given 嗰個 driver 揀 tunnel Y 嘅話啦，佢 paid by electronic means 嘅 probability 係幾多？咁首先唔好急啦，我哋睇翻上面嘅資料，我哋有邊個未用咧？就係最尾紫色筆嗰個啦。Given that a driver pays by electronic means 啦，佢個 probability 揀 tunnel Y 就係14/41啦。我哋唔好驚住先啦，我哋將佢哋嘅 initial 寫出嚟先啦。佢揀 tunnel Y 啦，而佢 paid by electronic means given that 就係14/41，就係佢嘅 probability 啦。咁去到呢度，我就要講翻我前面好重要嘅一條式啦。仲記唔記得我有講過呢個啦？等於1咧，冇錯，呢度就可以套用翻啦。當唔係 Y 嘅時候，佢係做咩啊？佢唔係 Y 嘅時候，咪即係佢行咗 X 咯，因為你就係得 X 同 Y 呢兩條路啫嘛。有見及此，我哋可以知道，其實係等於1減14/41啦。咁我哋可以直接插埋去呢度啦，就係等於27/41啦。咁我哋知道呢樣嘢有咩用啊？Px given that 佢行 electronic means 啦，係可以再 rewrite 成呢個樣嘅啦。去到呢一步啦，我哋 P tunnel X given that 佢係 electronic means 咧係27/41，而 Px and E 咧就係我哋 A part 計到嘅答案啦。因為你見到啦，行 tunnel X 再用 electronic means 比就係27/140啦。咁再除翻 P 嘅 electronic means， 咁如果我哋篤一篤機啦，行 electronic means 嘅 probability 咧，其實就等於41/140啦。咁我哋計呢個有咩用啊？我哋睇下題目想我哋揾咩 B part。 Given that 佢揀咗 tunnel Y 啦 ，probability pays by electronic means，同樣道理啦，將佢哋嘅 initials 寫晒出嚟先啦。呢個嘅 initials 咧就係我寫喺呢邊啦。咁去到呢個位，你可能會問啦，你計咗 electronic means 有咩用咧？我哋可以睇啦，因為你有第一 part 啦，就係叫你揀 tunnel X 再 pays by electronic means。咁你有 total electronic means 嘅 probability，咁你咪真係可以揾到 tunnel Y and pays by electronic means 嘅 probability 咯。因為係嗰兩個嘅 probability 加埋一齊啦，就造就到呢個 PE 嘅出現啦。咁樣嘅話啦 ，X and E 就係27 over 140啦。咁樣的話啦，其實我哋就可以揾到佢揀 tunnel Y 咧，又 pays by electronic means 呢兩個嘅 probability 咧，就係1 over 10啦。咁計到呢度有咩用啊？我哋就睇 part B 啦。佢要我哋揾 given that 佢揀咗 tunnel Y 啦 ，pays by electronic means， 用 initials 寫出嚟啦，就係咁樣。咁你都記得啦，你可以將佢 rewrite 成呢個樣啦。咁我哋而家有 E and Y 啦，係1 over 10，而佢行 tunnel Y 嘅 probability 我哋都有啦，係11 over 20。咁樣嘅話，我哋咪可以揾到我哋嘅 required probability 咯，2 over 11啦。咁你睇我做咗好似好多個步驟好複雜嘅嘢啦，但係其實都係將啲 initials 好清楚咁樣寫翻晒出嚟啦。再用 tree diagram 諗下 X 同 Y 當中有什麼關係啦。最關鍵啦就係用個橙色筆 highlight 嘅呢條色啦，因為你知道 Y dash 其實真係等於 X 先可以做到出嚟。咁 B part 我哋做完啦，最難個部分。咁我哋揾到 given that 佢揀咗 tunnel Y， 佢用 electronic means 俾錢就係2 over 11啦。咁佢對於我哋 C part 計數有咩用咧？我哋可以睇下呢一條 branch 啦，我用橙色 highlight 呢個，其實佢呢個嘅 probability 咪即係我哋 B part 計到嘅2 over 11咯。咁樣嘅話，因為佢兩個可能性係用一減可以減到噶嘛，electronic means 同 cash， 所以我哋就知道，如果係咁樣的話啦，佢嘅 probability 就係等於9 over 11啦。咁我哋即刻睇下佢第三嘅 C part， 佢想問咩？佢就話個 drivers 係 pays by cash 啦。咁佢揀 tunnel Y 嘅 probability 係幾多？我哋可以將啲 initials 寫出嚟先啦，就係 Y given that 佢用 cash。咁我哋可以將佢 rewrite 啦，成為 P Y and C 同埋俾 cash 嘅 probability。上面啦，如果佢行咗 tunnel Y and cash 嘅 probability 啦，就係我用紅色筆行嘅呢條路啦，就係將嗰兩個數乘埋一齊，11 over 20乘以9 over 11。咁佢俾 cash 嘅 probability 係幾多啊？就係將行 X 又俾 cash 同埋行 Y 又俾 cash 嘅兩個 probability 加埋，咁就可以乘以4 over 7啦，再加翻我哋啱啱分子嗰嚿嘢。呢個咧就會係我哋最終計到嘅答案啦。應該最後答案咧就係7 over 11啦。咁記住俾翻個答句啦 ，required probability 啦，就係7 over 11啦。咁你問我呢一題係咪真係十分之難？我唔會話係好難啦，因為佢樣嘢都係即係佢俾咗好多資料啦，佢只係要你 organize 呢一堆嘢，令到你覺得哇好煩，你要望住咁多文字啊，仲有咁多唔同嘅 given that 數字，所以我哋就真係要拆開啊，畫 tree diagram， 令到你成件事 visualize 得好清楚。講多一題啦，咁佢就話喺一個 orchestra 啦，有3 over 5嘅人係戴眼鏡㗎啦，跟住 among male members 咧有4 over 9係戴眼鏡。The probability 去揾一個 female 唔戴眼鏡係3 over 20，咁你見到啦， 你有好多好多唔同嘅人啦，有啲有戴眼鏡，有啲唔戴眼鏡，分咗男女，戴眼鏡唔戴眼鏡，其實好亂啦。所以你見到 let 咗唔同嘅 variable 先啦，例如如果係 male 嘅話，我就 let 咗 M 啦；係 female 嘅話，我就 let 咗 M dash，咁就代表佢係 female 啦。咁既如果係 wear glasses 嘅話，我就 let 佢 W 啦；佢唔 wear glasses 嘅話就係 W dash。咁我就可以畫一個 tree diagram 出嚟啦，就好似我以下呢個咁樣畫咗啦。咁我哋可以根據翻佢所俾嘅資料啦，去寫翻一啲 initials 出嚟啦。例如我哋睇下橙色呢一個第一個嘅 information 先，3/5嘅人戴眼鏡，咁我哋可以點樣寫啊？PW 啦，就係等於3/5啦。如果用我哋 let 咗嘅 variable， 最緊要係將啲資料咧寫晒出嚟先，我哋有嘅。第二啦，我哋可以睇下紫色筆呢個啦。Among male members 4/9係戴眼鏡，咁如果我哋 express 出嚟就係戴眼鏡啦。Given that 佢係男仔嘅話，就係4/9啦。去到最尾啦，如果佢係一個女仔啦，跟住又唔戴眼鏡嘅話咧，就係3/20啦。咁綠色筆呢個咧，我就可以用佢係女仔啦，又唔戴眼鏡，就係等於3/20啦。咁如果我對翻住每一個啦，呢個係綠色啦，呢個係紫色啦，跟住呢個就係橙色有嘅熒光筆啦。咁其實我哋都可以寫到喺右邊嘅 tree diagram 啦，其實我哋都可以寫到呢個嘅 probability 4/9啦，因為佢話given that 佢係男仔啦，佢戴眼鏡嘅有4/9，咁即係佢唔戴眼鏡嘅人咧係佔咗5/9。咁我哋知道嘅嘢資訊咧就係咁多，咁我哋睇下 A part 佢一齊，佢係問咩咧？佢就話如果有一個人係唔戴眼鏡啦 given that 佢係一個女仔嘅 probability 係幾多？咁我哋又將呢個 initials 嘅關係式寫出嚟啦。我哋想揾嘅嘢咧，就係一個 female 啦 ，given that 佢係唔戴眼鏡嘅。咁如果我哋將呢一個可以點樣將佢拆開啊？冇錯，都係用翻之前嗰個式啦。咁你見 probability of M dash and W dash 咪就係我哋上面嘅3/20咯。而我哋嘅 PW dash 咧就係講啲人唔戴眼鏡，咁我哋有戴眼鏡全部人係3/5啦，橙色 highlight 嗰度寫咗。咁唔戴眼鏡咪真係1減3/5咯。所以其實 A part 嘅答案我哋已經揾到啦，就係3/20啦，除以2/5，就係3/8啦。A part 嘅答案。咁你見到都唔好難啫，你將全部嘅 information 寫晒出嚟嘅話，B part 啦，佢就問我哋嘅嘢就係我哋需要揾啦個 random selected member 係一個 female and wearing glasses。換言之啦，我哋要揾嘅嘢就係 PM dash 啦 and 佢係 wear glasses， 所以呢個咧紫色筆呢個啦就係我哋 ideally 最尾想揾到嘅答案啦。咁喺揾呢個之前咧，當然我哋有好多好多嘅步驟需要做啦。我哋可以睇翻我哋 A part 嘅答案啦。我哋可以留意翻黃色筆呢度圈住啦。PM dash given that 佢係 W dash 啦，係等於3/8。咁如果用翻我哋之前講過嘅一條 rule 啦，PM given that W dash 啦，即係等於1減3/8，即係等於5/8啦。咁如果我哋再將呢樣嘢 rewrite 嘅話，and W 啦 over PW dash 啦，就係等於5/8啦。咁 WP 的 probability of 唔 wearing glasses 有冇？有啊，就係上面我哋嘅1減3/5啊嘛。所以其實我哋係知道 M and W dash 啦係5/8乘以1減3/5。咁你會計到嘅 probability 咧就係1/4嘅。咁去到呢一步啦，你可能會心諗 PM and W dash 有咩用啊？ 我見到其實我哋都用晒題目上差唔多所有嘅資料，唯獨係一個啦。你見我哋由開始到依家都冇乜掂過，就我知識筆 highlight 嘅呢個啦。PW given that 係 male 啦，我哋係冇用過嘅，又係用翻同一個 concept 啦。既然 PW given that 佢係 M 係4/9啦，咁如果係 W dash given that 佢係 M 咧，佢就係1減4/9，而佢就係等於5/9啦。咁你問呢樣嘢有咩用啊？冇錯，我哋又係將佢 write 翻起嗰個 form 啦。呢樣嘢我哋知道係5/9啦，而 PW dash and M 咪就係我哋左邊橙色筆嘅呢個答案咯，1/4除以咩啊？ PM 啦。咁我哋咪可以揾到 male 嘅 probability 係幾多咯？成功揾到 male 嘅 probability 咧，就係9/20啦。咁其實當你做到呢一步嘅時候，最難嘅部分我覺得已經過咗，因為你已經用咗2次呢個前面第2條式嘅1減呢個 rule 啦，我已經用咗2次啦。咁既然我哋計到 male 係9/20啦，咁我哋可以寫翻喺 tree diagram 度先嘅9/20。咁 female 嘅自然就會係11/20啦。咁我哋都可以寫 M dash 啦，就係等於11/20啦。你知道 PM dash 係等於11/20嘅時候，你距離最後答案已經好接近啦。咁我哋可以睇翻我哋綠色 highlighter 上面啦，我哋曾經題目 given 過啦 ，PM dash and W dash 係等於3/20。我哋可以將呢兩樣嘢啦 express 出嚟。當你係唔戴眼鏡啦 ，given that 你係女仔嘅 probability 啦，就會等於 PW dash and M dash 啦 over PM dash 啦。咁其實我試下用呢個藍色 highlighter hide 住嘅呢嚿嘢啦，係 tree diagram 嘅邊個位咧？冇錯啦，佢其實就係我藍色呢一點計緊呢個 probability 啦。咁我哋可以直接寫埋佢出嚟啦，就係3/20除以11/20。咁我哋就可以揾到，有啲核突呢個寫得。其實佢嘅 probability 啊，就係等於3/11啦。咁知道呢個3/11有咩用啊？冇錯啦，咁你咪知道問號一定係1減咗3/11就等於8/11咯。既然我哋知道問號就已經係等於8/11啦，咁我哋咪可以揾到我哋最終嘅 required probability 咯，因為我哋就係需要將11/20乘埋我哋嘅問號，就係我哋嘅答案啦。所以就係11/20啦，乘以問號就係1減3/11啦。最尾就會出到我哋嘅答案就係2/5啦。咁 Part 1、Part 2嘅 probability 就告一段落啦。希望呢2條片都會幫到大家啦，唔單止係咁，仲有之前 integration、differentiation 嘅片啦，希望都可以幫到大家。祝大家考試加油啦！咁我哋下條片下一課再見，拜拜。